Hi everyone, Letty here, Party Planner Papery. I want to share some information regarding the Paper Escape. It's a virtual crafty retreat that's coming up, and I also want to unbox the kit. Welcome back everyone. So I am super excited. I just received a box and I want to unbox it with you. So what it is if you follow me on Instagram, you probably have already seen where I have already released or announced that I am going to be an instructor for the upcoming Paper Escape 2026 Spring Staycation. This is a crafty, card making virtual retreat that is hosted by Linh, who is LV Handcrafted. She has put together the Paper Escape, which is a separate kind of YouTube channel and separate kind of entity in itself. So you definitely want to check that out. I'll have all of the links and everything listed down in the description box below. But she's put it together. She's a creator here on YouTube. She's put it together. She's invited some additional crafty friends, and we will be all having virtual classes for you. So we're going to be doing some free card making classes. There are several different options. There's basically an option for everybody and everybody's budget. So if you want to join in for free, there is the first day of this 2-day event is going to be for anybody who just signs up, and that's completely free. And so if you do sign up, there's definitely going to be some giveaways and things on that first day. There's going to be 4 main classes. I will be the 4th one at the very end of the day, but we're going to have a ton of fun. And so there's a second day of this virtual retreat. So if you do happen to sign up for one of the 2 paid tiers, which is either the VIP or the bonus ticket, then you will get a second day with more classes, live events, more prizes, options, things like that. Plus, if you sign up, say for instance, for the VIP ticket, you will actually get this same crafty kit that I'm about to show you. You're going to be able to get that crafty kit plus some additional items, and then as far as perks and things, and then the third option is a bonus ticket, to where if you don't want the physical kit, but you still want to have access to the second day, then you're going to sign up for the bonus ticket, and those tickets go on sale after January 31st. Now, this VIP box, what I'm about to show you, they're only going to be selling, they're going to do pre-registration for them until January 31st. Then Linh will start placing all the orders, and she might have some available after January 31st, but the quantities are going to be very limited, and the price might also increase. So your best time to buy it is right now before January 31st if you want this box. So again, there's 3 tiers. You've got your regular, everything that you'll get on the first day, completely free virtual retreat. You can sign up for that. And I'm going to be an instructor I'm going to be the 4th one on day 1. Or you can sign up for the VIP ticket right now, and you can lock it in, or after the 31st if there's anything available, and you'll get access to both days plus this kit, this physical kit that will be mailed to you. Or you can wait until after the 31st and then sign up for the bonus ticket. You still get all of this, the day 2 classes. And I think there's some digital perks and things that you're also going to get. You're going to get some digital kit options. So anyway, but super, super fun. Let's go ahead and unbox this. Linh has already decked it out with a ton of really fun stickers. You can see there the Paper Escape. It's going to be such a fun event, I feel. The fun thing about this is that the creators that are hosting this event and are going to be participating in this event as instructors are the ones who designed all of these products, which is amazing. So this is what it's going to look like when it comes packaged. So you are going to get it in this really fun plastic bag. Let me go ahead and open this. Okay, so here's what it looks like. And these bags are fantastic. They're super durable. I believe they're waterproof as well. So you can actually store all of your kit in here. You could store other items. You can use it to organize whatever you want. It's fantastic. Okay, so here's what it looks like. Look how pretty this looks. It's all packaged up. We've got the super fun sticker with the logo, the Paper Escape. Linh put all that together. Again, I'll have Linh's channel and the website down below, as well as the other creators, so you can get a jump start. So here's what you're gonna get if you do sign up for the VIP kit, which is the physical kit. This is what you're gonna be getting. And just so you know, so all of the creators, all of the instructors will be using this same kit to showcase our specific cards and projects. So it is a card making event, so there will be cards, but there's gonna be a ton of fun because we'll be doing some kind of fun folds and some action cards and just different types of things, mixed media, media things. So it's definitely a time where we'll be able to sort of jump outside of our box or get outside of our box and really have some fun with this. And it'll be in the spring, so it'll be like a little like vacation, but you'll be at home, so it's a staycation. Now this pen, this one came in mine. Now Lynn did mention that these are completely supplies limited, so only the very first people who order will be getting a pen, but it's an additional like beaded pen. Super pretty. So again, these, you may not get it if you do happen to order a little bit later, but if you do order early enough, then you might be able to get a beaded pen as well in your kit. But that's just a bonus little thing. Here's what the actual kit comes with. So we do have a set of papers. Okay, I'll open that in just a second. We've got 2 of these tape runner glues, adhesive. Now I used to be a design team member for Tape Runner years and years ago when I first started paper crafting. I think they were holding like design team tryouts or whatever, or, you know, roll call or something. Anyway, I signed up and I had such a fun time. I was on their design team for over a year. I want to say maybe 2 years, but I absolutely love Tape Runner. Absolutely love it. So you get 2 different options with your kit. This one is going to be the dot adhesive, like a bunch of little dots, and this one is just a solid like runner. So you do get this. I believe Lynn is the design team like leader, coordinator over for Tape Runner, and so I'm assuming she's coordinated with them, and so that's why you're going to be getting these amazing Tape Runners. So you get to try them out if you've never done so. Now there are a whole bunch of little like items that are going to be coming in this little pack. Let me show you. So it's just a ton of fun. This one's going to be a really fun retreat. So you get a fun little exclusive button, and Lynn made these, and if you've seen it on her channel or on the Paper Escape channel, you can see where she pressed these on her button maker. Super cute. This is one of the little guys, the little critters that's on our stamp set, and it's kind of like the theme. You've got some like glitter and sequins kind of mixed there for like shakers or something. You also do get 2 action wobbles. Now, these are super fun. I do have some of these in my stash, and I think what I'm going to do is I'm probably going to make some cards leading up to this, because I think I want to do an action wobble card for one of my cards. I think it would be super fun. So you are going to get 2 of these. If you've never used them, no worries. The instructors are going to be using them, and we will show you how to use them, how to maximize and using these. You can pick those up at your regular craft store. I think Hobby Lobby even has them. And then you do get a few little adhesive dots that came in the kit. You also do get some twine. And so there's 3 different versions of twine that you get with this kit. There's a solid white, a solid craft, and then there's a mix of craft and white. Okay, so I won't take that apart. And then you also do get some little paper brads. So these are like little hinges, but there's paper brads. And again, this is one of those things, if you've never seen how to use these, the instructors will absolutely show you how this works and how to use and maximize those. I personally have not used these, so I'm super excited to learn and maybe even throw a little curveball and use one in one of my cards as well, but we will see. But these are super fun. Now, the actual instructors, 2 of them, Meg and Sejr, they actually designed these images for this stamp set. Let me get out a white sheet. I know there's some white cardstock in here. Here it is. So let me show you real quick. We've got this fantastic stamp set that was designed by 2 of the instructors. Again, this is what makes this little retreat super amazing, because you've got the actual creators themselves stepping outside of their comfort zones, designing and creating and expanding, and it's just going to be so fun. So the theme of this, if you haven't already guessed, is sort of a steampunk, sort of with gears and things. It's super fun, but it's kind of has that little spring vibe, because everybody's kind of dressed up, and it's super fun. So you do have a ton of different things on here. You've got a couple of sentiments, and then you also have some action words: pull, turn, pull, swing, shake. So if you do want to create some little action cards, this is going to be fantastic. You've got some gears, you've got some little whimsy, some additional whimsy here. You've got 4 critters, you've got 2 bunnies, a boy bunny, a girl bunny, and then you've got a like a wolf or a fox, and then you also have a cat, and then you also have a little, of course, traditional steampunk balloon. This is going to be fun. I feel like this might be my little wobbler thing, is my little little balloon. So you do get this stamp, and this is a huge stamp. I think this is like a 6x8 stamp, so very, very large. Now, the very, very fun thing about this as well is that not only are you going to get a stamp in this set, but the instructors have colored the ephemera pieces, and you're going to get a sampling of their own coloring for this stamp. Amazing, right? Like, where would you see that? Nowhere else. So now I can tell you right now, my pieces are not included in this yet, but I think there's going to be a way where I'm going to work on, I kind of joined the party a little bit late. And so I am going to work on getting you guys as well a colored version. And I'm hopeful that we'll be able to get that set up prior to the retreat. So that way you can get a copy of my colored, images as well. But I think that's just super fun, because as you watch the instructors, you're going to be able to see them not only, utilize the tools and kits, the items that come in this kit, but you're going to be able to have their actual colorings in your hand. And so you do get a ton of different pieces, and everybody, like I said, the other instructors, they were able to color and like make their own pieces, and it's just super fun. And you can kind of already see like which color palettes which people are going to be going for, because everyone's going to be doing it very different. So I think this is just the neatest and coolest way that I've ever seen, where in a virtual retreat, not only do you get a stamp set, and of course everything else, all the components, but you get live inspiration. Look at this. I mean, just look at that. Look at the shading details. And again, this was colored by somebody. They hand colored that, and then they sent it over, and we were able to get it. Look, here's another one. You can tell these are hand colored, but again, it was copied. It was copied from their originals. But I think this is just an amazing little perk. I have never heard of this before, where you actually get the actual coloring from the instructors themselves. I think that is a phenomenal idea, and I think that is going to make for some fantastic fun cards. So that is what you get as far as the colored ephemera. But again, you have the stamp set, you can make your own. Now, of course, you are going to get some cardstock, and now I'll warn you, this probably won't be enough for all of the projects, all of the cards, especially if you do the 2-day event. You'll definitely probably have enough for the 1 day, but you may have to just bring in a few pieces from your stash. In fact, I am planning on doing a card tutorial for one that was asked on my channel here, and I have not yet released it. I'm thinking I'm going to save it, and I'm going to showcase it on that day, and I will kind of give you the a heads up ahead of time what to prepare, but you'll just need some regular, like, basic 65-pound cardstock. So, but you do get an assortment of different colors. You've got some that are a little bit thicker that would be perfect for card bases, and then you've got some that are more for like your matting. Bunch of really fun colors, very, very spring forward. I mean, just super, super fun. Now, you do get a few additional specialty papers. You've got an acetate, a clear acetate, which is like a plastic. Then you've got a vellum. Okay, that's super fun. Then you've got a gold foil, and you also have a sort of silver pearlized metallic as well. So you get half a sheet of those. So those would be great for some card mats. Now, you also do get papers. And again, these were designed by either Lynn or the instructors. So I think it was actually Lynn, but we'll see. I'm sure she'll give some additional information on that. So I think these are super fun. So you do get your pack of papers, and it's just like if you had purchased a regular little pack of papers. So you've got this gorgeous one with the sunflowers, and you've got this one with the script. I absolutely love this. I think I'm going to maybe use that one. And then we do have this kind of old wood grain with like the chip paint worn down. It's absolutely stunning. Then you've got this one as well with the gears and the really pretty spring colors. Absolutely love that. And then we've got this one with sort of the old world map, okay, or real world map. And then you also have the another wood grain here with some different colors. You've got some letters, and these are super fun. You can kind of see the theme here. And then we also have some additional daisies, real pretty colors, more wood grain. And then we've got another sort of like old world map, sort of map atlas. It's kind of like one of those old maps where things have already started to fade. A really fun textured sort of print. It is flat. Doesn't have the texture, but you can see the texture. super pretty with brown. And then we've got this one as well. And I think this is one that I might be using. We will see. And then it repeats and you get a whole second copy of each of the papers. So I think that's super, super fun. One thing I will mention is, again, this is a card making crafty retreat. And so if you want to see some, crafty card tutorials, you definitely want to join in. It is completely free, or you can do an upgrade and pay for either the VIP or the bonus ticket options. Again, I'll have all the links down below. I will tell you as a little sneak peek, we'll be making some different card themes. I think you're going to be seeing some Mother's Day, some Father's Day, some birthday, and maybe a couple of additional different themes. And then you will see a bunch of different varieties of like things with action wobblers and the brads and mixed media, and also some fun folds and just a ton of fun. So if you have not heard of this, definitely check it out. I encourage you to go check out the website. I'll link everything down below. It's at lvhandcrafted.com. You can click on the Paper Escape section and you'll be able to see everything regarding the Paper Escape. It's going to be super, super fun. I'm super excited to join the group of creators that is also going to be teaching the classes. Here's, again, a little pop-up of all of the creators. I think it's going to be so fun. Again, even if you cannot afford to do the actual big, like one of the VIPs or the bonus tickets, absolutely sign up for free. You can totally sign up for free, and you can at least get in on some of these card classes on day one. This is a 2-a-day event. It's going to be April 11th and April 12th. The free portion will be April 11th, but then there'll be just a few other little bonus things happening on the 12th if you want to check those out, if you do pay for one of the upgrades. The videos will be on YouTube after the event, but you definitely want to check it out in live if you can, because the instructors will be in the comments responding in real time to your comments. I think it's going to be super fun. Again, I just wanted to take a moment to kind of share this and show this and kind of, again, formally announce here on YouTube, because I did already post it on Instagram, but I hope you are excited and are looking forward to this. This will be my 3rd straight year of being an instructor in a class. I'm looking forward to doing it. I'm so excited. So I hope you enjoy this. I hope you are intrigued and inspired, and you can go check it out. I'll have all those links down below. Thank you so much. And as always, happy crafting. Thanks so much for visiting, everyone. Make sure you check out the link down in the description box below so you can sign up for this fun retreat. Happy crafting.